Guys, what is going on? Welcome to our reaction channel where we react to anything and everything, guys. If you're new, I just want to say welcome to St. Flir's Reaction, all right? Hope you guys love all the reactions that I have going on the channel, all right? There's something new going up daily, if not daily, then weekly, all right? If you have something for me to watch, just leave it on the comments and the videos. Leave the link, leave anything. If you're a newcomer, welcome. Thank you guys so much and welcome. Hope you have fun. Guys, what is going on and welcome back to another reaction video. Today I have for you some more Best Zangers 2020, alright? And this is Miss Montreal and this is Lightning Crashes. Now before we get started, guys, like always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on the channel. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Alright, a lot of videos going up and I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Now let's just go. You guys know once I get talking, I get talking. And you guys came here to see the reactions, right? I gotcha. So this is gonna go like this, like always. Alright, put the brightness up for you guys. Chocolate skin. Smile. Got my water. Shh. Let's go. It's Montreal. Let me see what you got for me, boo. Okay.
Lightning crashes and no more the cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion that was hers before the doctor can't even close the door. Lightning crashes, an old mother died.
Oh wow. Wow.
Her intentions fall to the floor. Her eyes, the confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall. And oh, now I feel it, I'm coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wheels, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crashes and no mother cries. Oh, this moment she's been waiting for. Sense the circle of the glorious to hide, hide, hide. Oh, now I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wheels, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it.
Yo, she's killing it. First of all, Tabitha, whoa, that shot. Second of all, she almost fell. You guys saw that? She almost fell. She almost fell. Miss Montreal, no. No. I still love you though. But damn, she almost fell. Wow. She did great. She did great. She did amazing. Despite her almost falling and busting her face, she did great. She did great. I love it. I loved it. Oh man, why did she have to stumble? Wow, she must be embarrassed right now. But she did amazing, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right? Peace. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction video. Guys, make sure you check the description, and also make sure you check the playlist on the channel because it has a lot of videos that I reacted to. All right, be safe out there and hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.